BlockFi Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The BlockFi Wallet app once promised to revolutionize crypto banking, offering interest on your digital assets and easy access to loans without selling your coins. But after its massive ups and downs, is it still a good choice? Let's explore the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, BlockFi stood out for its simple interface and banking-style design. Users could deposit Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins to earn interest, often between 4 and 9% annually, much higher than traditional savings accounts. The wallet made crypto feel accessible, even for beginners who had never used a fee before. Another key benefit was crypto-backed loans. Instead of selling your Bitcoin, you could borrow cash using your crypto as collateral. This was a game changer for investors who didn't want to trigger taxable events or lose their long-term holdings. BlockFi also had strong integration with traditional finance. It partnered with major custodians and offered a crypto rewards credit card that let users earn Bitcoin on every purchase, a real bridge between the old and new financial systems. But then came the cons, and they were big. In 2022, BlockFi faced major liquidity issues during the crypto market crash, leading to bankruptcy and frozen user withdrawals. This highlighted a serious risk: custodial control. Users didn't own their private keys, meaning BlockFi had full custody of their funds. When things went bad, those funds were locked. Another drawback is that BlockFi's services have been limited since then. Some users still can't access their balances, and future operations remain uncertain. In conclusion, the BlockFi Wallet app was once a leader in crypto finance, easy to use, rewarding, and ambitious. The surprising truth? It showed how innovation can also come with risks. If you're exploring crypto wallets today, always look for transparency, self-custody, and regulatory clarity. Because in crypto, control of your keys means control of your future.